Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the sheet open, so start by choosing the cell with the formula or value you want to replicate. Select that source cell, then extend the selection downward to include every destination cell. You can drag, Shift plus click, or use Shift plus arrow keys. Make sure your references are correct before copying. Use $signs for fixed references and leave them off if you want relative adjustment. This saves rework later, because once you fill down, Excel recalculates each row based on those reference choices. Now perform the fill. With the range selected and the top cell active, press Ctrl plus D to copy that top cell down through the selection. This is fast and precise. Alternatively, move the cursor to the fill handle and double-click it to autofill to the last contiguous row. Excel uses adjacent data to stop. If your range is a table, enter the formula once and Excel will auto-propagate to new rows. Once done, scan a few rows to confirm values changed as expected. Finish by inspecting several rows to ensure formulas adjusted correctly. Sample the top, middle, and bottom of the filled range. If you need static numbers instead of formulas, copy the range and use paste special right arrow values to replace formulas with their results. If filling stopped before the intended row, make sure there are no blank helper cells in adjacent columns and remove merged cells that block the fill. If errors persist, undo, correct references, then repeat the fill. This usually fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.